So suppose if you want to move this pivot point to a particular point, then you have to press tab, then select the particular vertices where you want to move that pivot. Then press Shift S, then cursor to that selected. Then press tab again and go to the object mode like that. Then go to object, set origin to the 3D cursor. After that, suppose if you want to move this object to a particular point like in the center of the grid, so for that you have to press Shift S, then cursor to that world origin. So now you can see that 3D cursor comes in the center of our grid. After that you have to press Shift S again, then you have to press selection to that cursor. So you can see that object comes to that cursor again. So suppose if you want to move that pivot in the center of that object, so for that you have to go to object, then set origin to that geometry. Like that, if you want to move that pivot point manually, so for that you have to go to the option tab, then select that option. Then you can move that pivot and set it anywhere you want like. So after that, just click on that option again, then switch off this option. Now press N and you can see that values are come little odd. So if you want to give a proper value for that, so for that you have to press Control A, then all transform you have to click. As you can see, all the values comes now 000, then scale value 111. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt or if you have any question on that, kindly comment in the comment box. See you again. Sign off.